Hi, my name is Beatrix.
And I'm Maya. We will talk today about project implementation.
So this is the stage in your project where you have a great deal of work behind you and you're nearing the end. But hold on, before you rush to the finish line, take a few moments to really plan the final days.
Here you have some useful tips how not to go crazy while doing it.
Start planning from the day of your event backwards. You should think about what needs to be done the day before the event, the week before the event, and so forth. And remember to put every tiny detail in your timeline, like everything. It's really useful to have one document that states what needs to be done, who's going to do it, when and where. And if you have receipts or invoices that need to be collected, then it's good to name one person in the team who's responsible for that. And in the end, time is short, so be sure to plan extra time for every single little task.
Okay, and so what about your team?
Yeah, integrate your team and distribute the work. Work with people you trust and really trust them with the work. Don't micromanage, don't become a control freak. Find a communication platform that suits you, whether it's online or offline. Just find a way to communicate that works for your team. And also, schedule regular meetings with an agenda.
Okay, so it's not about how to work, but it's also about how to work together, right?
Absolutely, but there can be conflict, and conflict is completely normal. If there is a problem, then make sure to sit down in a meeting with your whole team and let everybody speak freely in a calm and respectful manner. Try to find a solution for the problem at hand, even if it's just for the time being. If the conflict is really severe, it might be worth inviting an external mediator to come in and speak with you. I know it might sound a bit extreme, but it can really save your project from turning into a battleground.
We faced all the problems, and right now it's time for the big day.
Yeah, but hold your horses. Take time for the basics. Get some sleep, have a good meal, make sure you feel good about yourself, and really spend time with the people that you've been working with. You know, it's time for team bonding. You can do that by having a group hug or maybe even a shot of vodka before it starts. Yeah, and just make sure you enjoy.
That's it?
No, one last thing. Make sure you thank everybody involved and gather some feedback, take some distance, and see what you can take from it into your next project.
Thank you for watching. You can find our other videos with more useful tips.